Have you ever wondered where and when the game of cricket originated? Well, let's wind the clocks back to the 16th century in the verdant lands of southeast England. The origins of cricket are as intriguing as the game itself. Thought to have been initially a children's game, it was played in clearings in the dense forest, using a simple wooden ball and a bat. As we step into the 17th century, cricket began to evolve. No longer was it confined to the playground. It had become a popular county sport, drawing crowds and gaining recognition. The first cricket clubs were formed during this time, marking the beginning of an organized structure for the game. From humble beginnings in the forests of England to the manicured lawns of county cricket, this sport has come a long way. And thus, cricket began its journey from an innocent pastime to a competitive sport. As the 18th century rolled in, cricket started to take a more organized form. The gentleman's game, as cricket is often called, began to evolve from a rural pastime into a sport that captured the imagination of the masses. The London Club, one of the earliest cricket clubs, played a pivotal role in this transition. The club was instrumental in creating the laws of cricket, aiming to bring a sense of order and fairness to the game. These laws laid the groundwork for cricket as we know it today, addressing everything from how the game is played to the dimensions of the pitch and the equipment used. The first recorded cricket match took place in the year 1744. This historic game was held in Kent, England, and was a significant milestone in the journey of cricket. From this moment on, cricket matches started to become more frequent and gained popularity, not just in England, but across the globe. Speaking of global reach, the first international cricket game deserves a special mention. This landmark match took place not in the traditional cricketing nations of England or Australia, but across the Atlantic between the USA and Canada. The game, held in 1844, underlined cricket's growing appeal and laid the foundation for international cricket matches. In the heart of London, the Marylebone Cricket Club, or MCC, was formed in 1787, further cementing cricket's reputation as a global sport. The MCC took over the task of being the custodian of the laws of cricket, a responsibility it holds to this day. This esteemed club has been instrumental in shaping the game, ensuring its growth and popularity while maintaining the traditions and spirit of cricket. By the end of the 18th century, cricket had established itself as a sport with rules and international matches. The game had moved from the village green to the world stage, capturing hearts and creating a legacy that continues to thrive centuries later. The 19th and 20th centuries marked significant changes in cricket. As we journey into the modern era of this remarkable sport, we find ourselves transported back to the late 19th century, to the first official test match. This landmark event, held in 1877, saw England and Australia face off in a cricketing duel that would lay the foundation for a fierce rivalry. The Ashes series, born from this rivalry, is still one of the most anticipated events on the cricketing calendar, a testament to the enduring spirit of the game. As cricket continued to evolve, the 20th century saw the introduction of one-day cricket. This format, with its limited overs, brought a new level of excitement and urgency to the sport. It was a game changer, literally and figuratively, making cricket more accessible and engaging for a wider audience. The turn of the century ushered in another significant development with the advent of 2020 cricket. This fast-paced, high-energy version of the game, where each side has just 20 overs, added a whole new dimension to the sport. It was cricket, but not as we knew it. It was cricket on a turbocharge. In the midst of these changes, the governing body of cricket, the International Cricket Council, was established. The ICC, as it's known, brought structure and order to the sport, laying down rules and regulations that ensured fair play and integrity. The 20th century also gave birth to the Cricket World Cup, an event that has become a global phenomenon. The inaugural tournament, held in 1975, brought together the best teams from around the world, showcasing the sport's international appeal. Today, the World Cup is a celebration of cricket, uniting nations in their shared love for the sport. From the first official test match to the advent of 2020, cricket has undergone a remarkable transformation in the modern era. Each new development has added to the richness and diversity of the sport, making it more dynamic and exciting. Cricket had evolved into a truly global sport, captivating audiences worldwide. Cricket's journey has been long and fascinating. From its humble beginnings in the rural areas of England, it has evolved into a sport that captivates millions around the globe. It all began as a simple pastime, enjoyed by children in the 16th century. The establishment of cricket, however, took it from a mere game to an organized sport. Through the formation of cricket clubs and the implementation of standardized rules, cricket began to gain recognition and popularity. In the modern era, cricket has continued to evolve, adapting to changing times and tastes. With new formats like T20 and one-day internationals, the sport has managed to stay relevant and exciting, capturing the interest of a new generation of fans. From a simple children's game to an international spectacle, cricket's history is as captivating as the sport itself. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of this timeless sport, a saga that continues to unfold, captivating audiences worldwide.